What's up, YouTube? I know that there's so many videos on this on here, but the other day I had an incident in my vehicle and I don't have these in my car. Dash camera. Unfortunately, this is not just a dash camera. It is the dash camera with the rear view mirror. So I got the Jansite rear view camera. Very good deal. Car DVR is what they call it. I'm gonna install it today. I got it because it has the front camera and the rear camera. Gonna install it in a few moments. Doesn't come with a SD card or a hardwire to the vehicle plugs. I gotta buy that later. Just as of right now, I'm gonna run it with this right here. But very good quality, actually. I thought it was gonna come back feeling a little cheaper, but for the price, very good product. Everything works. I'm just gonna install everything first, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Very simple. I'm not gonna show you how to install it. I might show you the hardwire install, but as of right now, I'm not gonna do the it's pretty plug and play. It's got one wire over here to the camera, the mirror, and then I'm gonna try to connect it to where I can go into reverse. I kind of started it with the stupid fucking CD player that I have, or not CD player, doesn't even have a CD player. Has to that, but it didn't work out, so I have somewhat of an idea. And even if it doesn't work with the reverse, I can manually switch it to the to look at the camera in the back. So very good product. If you guys want it, I will have a link down below. Very cheap. It actually gave me like a 30% discount, I believe, at the moment. So it was about $48. Very cheap, very good product, actually. I mean, it does what it does. It does what you needed to do, because I like I said, I had a very unfortunate, not accident, but an altercation, and I wish I had something to record it, because I could record the man's license plate and everything from the back, from my rear view, with this. So I will be installing this outside in my trunk, or where my license plate is at. I have a mount for it, so let's get to it. I'm not gonna show the install, I'm just gonna show the after. Okay, so see you in about, for me, 45 minutes. For you, probably like instantly. So I'll be back. So here is, we'll go over here. Where we got the finished product, where I got it connected to the startup. Obviously, I want to hardwire it, but if it comes, so I even got it to where I hit reverse, it pops up as reverse. But I gotta straighten that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. It's a really good product. If you guys want one, I will put the link down below. Again, it's a really good price. For the price, it's a really good deal. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, I got hiccups. My last thing I forgot to mention, as a mirror itself, it's pretty damn good too. Look at that. I can see everything. Pretty good.